Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Album, and I'm here to show you what I use for Smash That Small Paper Pad. This collab is hosted by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage, where every month the collab looks to use a paper pad smaller than 12 by 12. If you use it up, that's great. If not, you keep on working it until it is gone. Don't forget, check out the other collaborators listed below. So this month I worked on this 6x6 paper pad by Carta Bella called Welcome Home. I had made about 10 mini albums for the month of February, and I really was done for March. So I decided to make some cards. The first couple of cards I made, I used some card sketches and of course changed them up to fit my paper. And I made 2 of each card. Similar, not exact, but similar. When this was done, it looked like it needed something, so I added these embellishments, just colored them with an alcohol marker, and boy, it really added a lot to it. I fussy cut this little guy out. I really like that design. That's a Stamping Up stamp. I liked how that came out. Wasn't sure if I wanted to center it or not. I was trying to go sort of masculine with the darker colors, but it didn't come out that way. And I also had some of these craft cardstock in my stash with some envelopes, so I used all that up too, so I was glad to get rid of that. And at the end of the project, when I was done, so that's the scraps I have left. Well, pull that off. You know, not much, small ones, but what I had done, I was going to use this for a card, it just didn't work. What I had done is taken my banner punch and punch a whole bunch of different shaped banners and added those to the inside of the cards. So when you're done, take your scraps and put them on the inside. So that is what I did with these cards. And then I had just a couple of full-size pieces which I cut down to fit on a card, and then I just kept making squares or rectangles and put them on a card with a sentiment. And then I also had some stickers from another Carta Bella collection, and I just added those to the cards, and it matched really nicely. See, this is from the sticker sheet and this is from the collection. It isn't the same collection, but it did work. This was from the back of the paper pad. The sentiment from the paper pad, or the title. Yeah, some came out better than others. Again, going for a more masculine look, and it didn't end up that way, but still, it's a nice card. I love this sticker. Don't know if it does justice to this card. You can't really read the sentiment, but I might change that. I like that. Real gardeny. That one's okay. That one's okay. This one I feel like it still needs something, but I don't know what. But anyhow, so, and as you can see, I really have nothing left. Oh, I know. I had some 2-inch strips left, so I made some bookmarks. When I get out my laminating machine, I will laminate them and then put string on it. I just keep a collection, and as I laminate, usually you have some extra room, so I just keep these to add when I laminate, so I don't use up the laminating material and waste it. So anyhow, and so that's how I smashed my small paper pad for March 2021. Check out the other collaborators below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.